Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add emoji in CapCut PC. If you're new to CapCut PC and you don't know how to add emojis to your video, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the CapCut app. Now, click on Create Project to create a new project. Here, click on import the video that you want to add emojis to. For now, I'll choose this video. Click on import. Now drag it to the timeline. Now take the playhead where you want to add the emoji. For example, I want to add the emoji right here. Click on stickers and here search for emoji, just like this. Now here you can see different great emojis for your video. Choose the one that you want to add to your video and click on download option right here and click on the plus icon to add it to your video, just like that. And you can also resize it according to your preference, just like this, and add it where you want to add, just like this. Not only this, you can add multiple emojis to your video, just like this. Download, take the playhead where you want to add the emoji and click on plus, resize it according to your preference. And now if we play it, it'll look like this. And just like this, we can add emojis in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.